Hello Year 2 and welcome to another lesson with me, Mr. Gomez. For today's lesson we need to get ourselves dressed in some comfy wear, or if you've got your PE kit, you can get yourself changed into your PE kit. Now we're also going to need to get ourselves a couple bits of equipment, so don't just run off just yet. You're going to need to get yourself 2 shoe boxes, 3 tennis balls. If you don't have tennis balls, any sort of bouncy balls will be perfect. Okay, and you're also going to need yourself 2 water bottles. Okay, so rush off, go get yourself that equipment, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Excellent, now that you've got yourself changed and you've got all that equipment, it's time for us to warm up. Now you're going to need to get yourself 1 tennis ball, okay, for a warm up and a little bit of space that you can move around in. Okay, and to start off with, all we're going to do is just walking around, bouncing the ball and catching it, making sure the ball doesn't go any higher than belly button height, and just catching it with one hand. Okay, if you want to, you can put one hand behind your back. Okay, and again, you can change after that 5 and you go to our weaker hands. Again, making sure the ball doesn't go any higher, okay, than our belly button. Okay, so make sure you're walking around whilst we're doing that. Now we're going to get into a little bit more technical stuff. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to walk, okay, bounce the ball, clap and catch. Okay, so you're just going to walk, bounce and clap and catch like so. Okay, and you're going to do 3 of them because they're nice and easy. Okay, so just 3 of them, nice and easy. Now we're going to do double clap, okay, and catch. So again, and catch, and catch, and catch. Now, very important that when we're doing this, okay, we're not bouncing the ball and then when it's coming up, that's when we're clapping. As soon as we let that ball go to bounce, okay, I get my claps in. Okay, so that way when it comes back up, it just drops into my hands. I've been clapping when I open them up. Okay, so just there, and then you can open up. Now, if you want to challenge yourself, okay, you can do that and catch it with one hand. Okay, now moving on to a different bit of ball mastery. Okay, we're now going to just walk around, bouncing the ball through our legs, like so, inside our area, and catching it. I like me there. Okay, so keep your eye on the ball, bouncing it through, and then just catching it. So you can move forwards, okay, you can go to the sides and do it. Okay, you can also go backwards, do it. Okay, now last little one that's a little bit fun you can do is just a little bounce, turn around to try and catch it. Okay, now if you want to really test yourself, okay, you can bounce, clap and try and catch. Okay, so and catch like so, and then you can do double clap, triple clap. Okay, so get that warm up done and I'll meet you straight back in here for task 1. Excellent. Now that we've got ourselves warmed up and ready to go, what we're going to need is a shoe box and one of our tennis balls. Okay. Now all you're going to do is you're going to just open up your shoe box and you're going to place it, okay, a certain distance away from you, and you're going to make sure you don't go any closer. Okay. Now the trick is we're trying to bounce the ball into our box. So I'm going to show you this way and then the other way. Okay. So you can see me just bouncing the ball. So again, just like so, sort of like an overarm throw, okay, but a little bit more as if we're playing darts. Okay, and we're just going to try and bounce the ball and get into our box first time. Okay, then show you from this angle here, okay, just to give you a better idea of what I mean. So again, just like darts with our throw, and I'm trying to bounce the ball, and get it into our box. Okay, so it's only allowed 1 bounce before it gets in there. Okay, so I've had 2 tries, I got 1 out of 2. Can you guys do any better than me? Okay, so good luck, and I'm sure you can do better than 1, and I'll see you here for task 2. Excellent, well done on the last task. Now for our final task for today's lesson. Okay, we're going to need all of our equipment that we named at the beginning. Okay, so now what we're going to do with this equipment is you're going to take one of your boxes, okay, along with your 2 water bottles, okay, and you're just going to set them up. I'll do it this way, first time round, so you can see the setup, and then I'll show you how to play the game both ways. Okay, so you're going to put one box really far away like so, and then you're going to put the other box opened up okay, along with your tennis balls just beside it, like so. Okay, so sit yourself up like me, and I'll show you what we'll do next. Excellent, now you set up just like me, okay? Now, I'm going to start from this side, okay? Now, give yourself enough space that you can run up to your box, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to run up to our box, we're then going to pick up one of our tennis balls, we run back to our starting position, okay? We put our tennis ball down, okay? And then we're just going to do 10 knees up to our hands, okay? So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then until you get up to 10. Once you do that, you're going to rest, okay? And your first ball that you collected is going to be a try to bounce into here, okay? So like what we did beforehand, okay? So from wherever you are, bounce, you can't get it in, so there I've missed, okay? Then we repeat, we go back, we get our next ball, okay? Put it down again, we do our 10. After that, okay, we can now come a little bit closer, but not too close because we want to have the little area in between to bounce here. So we're going to try and bounce between our two boxes to try and hit one of our bottles, okay? So that one, I'll say I missed, okay? That come off as a rebound, okay? Then I go again, collect my ball, okay? Until all your turns are over. Now, I'm going to show you set up this way just so you can see me running in. Okay, so again, same setup as before. Okay, so this time I'm going to run in, get myself my tennis ball, put it on the sides, quick 10. Once I've done that 10, okay, I'm going for my bounce to try and get it inside. Okay, then I repeat, come back, quick 10. Okay, and then I'm going to try and bounce it. Okay, to hit the water bottle. Okay, so there again, I've missed. Okay, hopefully you do better than me, and hopefully you've enjoyed today's lesson, and I will see you very, very soon. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you soon.